Who is the Land Surveyor of India? Top Land Surveyor Company in Bangalore. Top 10 Land Surveyor Company in Bangalore. Who is the Land Surveyor of India? Every building project needs land surveying. It involves measuring and mapping the land to enable architects, engineers, and builders plan the design and construction of buildings, roads, bridges, and other structures. Scon Design, a land surveying company in India, is good. Clients nationwide receive high-quality land surveying services from them. Indian land surveyor Scon Design has decades of experience. They perform topographical surveys, boundary surveys, cadastral surveys, and construction surveys. Their professionals employ the newest equipment and technology for reliable measurements. The Indian land surveyor conducts land surveys. They measure and map the terrain using GPS, total stations, and drones. The land surveyor creates thorough reports on topography, boundaries, and other factors from the survey data. Land surveying courses are available in India from several organizations. These programs teach land surveying skills and information. IISM, NICMAR, and IRS are popular schools. In conclusion, Indian construction projects require land surveys. Land surveying services in India are finest provided by Scon Design. Accurate, exact, and reliable services are offered by them. Scon Design is an excellent Indian land surveyor. Top and surveyor company in Bangalore. Scon Design is Bangalore's top land surveyor business. Scon Design is one of the top land surveying firms thanks to its years of experience. The company conducts boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction planning, and more. Scon Design is Bangalore's best land surveyor firm because of its dedication to customer satisfaction. The company's highly qualified personnel use the newest technology and tools to provide accurate and efficient surveying services. Scon Design's land surveying services in Bangalore are extremely inexpensive. The organization recognizes that every project is different and offers customized solutions. Scon Design is a renowned land surveyor business in Bangalore. It is one of the greatest organizations in the market because to its quality, customer service, attention to detail, and competitive pricing. Scon Design can help you with your next project. Contact them today to learn more. Top 10 Land Surveyor Company in Bangalore. Scon Design is Bangalore's top land surveying company. The organization has a reputation for high-quality work, stringent deadlines, and outstanding client service due to its years of experience. To ensure precision and accuracy, our skilled and experienced surveyors use cutting-edge equipment and technology. These companies include Scon Design India. Topographical, boundary, cadastral, construction staking, and GPS surveys are offered by these companies. The organization employs skilled surveyors who use cutting-edge technologies. For years, Scon Design has been Bangalore's top land surveyor. Land, cadastral, topographical, and GPS surveys are offered by the company. Finally, Scon Design India Private Limited in Bangalore has been delivering professional land surveying services for years. Land, border, topographical, and cadastral surveys are among the company's services. Finally, hiring the correct land surveyor business is vital for any building project. One of the top companies is Scon Design. Thanks for watching.